Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Another cooking show for you, Micheal and Avril style. We're gonna do tacos. We got a hamburger it's thawed out, it won't take long. And our taco kit, lettuce, tomato, and our cheese. Yeah, let's get cooking, Micheal and Avril style. Alright folks, we got our famous pot pan. See where it's all thawed out, good to go. It'll cook fast. As soon as our vegetables are done, chopped up, it'll be done. We'll put it on max right there. We'll bunch it up like that. We'll turn it up to max, and then we'll put our half a cup of water in. Yeah, it's coming along, Micheal and Avril style. Avril's gonna guide us through. Okay, folks, we're ready for the lettuce. Taya's gonna cut it up. She's had some practice. She's getting off the tops. Yeah, get your kids involved. It's very educational, and they'll be pros. When they go to cooking school, they'll be ready. Yeah, she cut the stump off. Now she's cutting it in half. And she's gonna cut it horizontal and vertical. Yep, she's getting it diced up. But I also forgot we need sour cream. 14% we like. And taco sauce.
Some of the kits come with taco sauce though.
Yeah, some of the kits come with taco sauce.
But we add extra.
But we always add extra because we're cooking for 7. Yeah, oh, it looks good to put into your
Mouth.
to your mouth and yeah. These cooking shows are good for the young people and people that would like to learn how to cook simple meals. Hope it's educational. How to make tacos. Alrighty, it's gonna go in the bowl. Yeah, lettuce is going in the bowl. We'll continue the tomatoes next. Alright, Taya's cutting the tomatoes. Tomato time. Again, vertical and horizontal. She's gonna cut her tomatoes.
Smaller the better.
The smaller, the better. Avril says, bite pieces. Yeah, that's how you cut your tomatoes. Horizontal and vertical. Alright, it's gonna go in the pot. Nice. That's one. We'll have a couple more to go. Yeah, tomatoes. We'll go to the stove and check the hamburger. Oh, the hamburger's coming along. Look at that. we got it right on max, and have a cup of water. It's really cooking now. Fast cook. We'll be eating right away. Doesn't have to be long to eat tacos. Can be a short amount of time you'll be eating tacos. The lid helps to keep it steamed and very hot. Oh, yeah. We've been cooking for 10 minutes now. All right, we'll cook. Let that cook for another 10. All right, folks, we got the taco kit. We're not sponsored by any of the products we're using today. We're gonna use 2 taco kits today. It's coming along, cooking with Micheal and Avril style. Sour cream and our taco sauce and our cheese. Tia opened the box and she got more taco sauce. She's gonna put it in the bowl. She opened one box here. What else we got in this box? We got our soft tacos, and we got our mix this with our hamburger. So we'll have another sauce in there, and we'll keep one sauce for next time. All right. She's gonna get another sauce and put it in there. Yeah, we're waiting for our hamburger. All right, folks, our hamburger's done. Been in there for 20 minutes. It's done on max. We're gonna drain the grease out on the bottom, then put our sauce. Yeah. The grease. There's our grease, folks. Okay, we'll get it back in there, folks. Look, our grease is drained out. Right here, we're gonna put our sauce in and some water.
Just a splash of water. A little there, not even hot.
Yeah, a little splash of water.
There.
Not much water. All right, we'll mix up our sauce. Oh, we don't turn it on. We just mix it. Yeah, it's already hot. Yeah, we use one. There's comes with 2 tacos and one kit comes with 1 taco. We use 2 kits, but we just only use 1 taco sauce. Mix it really good. 20 minutes. And then our tacos are done. Enjoy. We'll put some meat on there. Come over here, folks. We got some lettuce here. Some sour cream. And then some tomatoes. And some cheese. And some sauce.
That's not how I do it.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, folks, let's try it out. Look at that, nice. You can do it any way you want. Yeah, we'll have a bite. It took us 25 minutes and the recipe is done. Micheal and Avril style.
This is how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, Avril's gonna do one right there. Look how she does it.
So I do it for my kids.
Some cheese going on. Some tomatoes. Oh, very delicious. Melt in your mouth. Lettuce. and some taco sauce. And here's some extra.
A little bit too hot.
All right. Look, that's how it is. There it is again. All right, folks, that concludes our video. How to make tacos, Micheal and Avril style. Hope the video is educational. Thank you for watching and supporting. Smash the subscribe button. It helps the channel grow. Bye for now. See you in the next one. Thank you.